A lot of times on the return trip, I'll detour down the river trails so that I can avoid this. I'm not a fan of running alongside traffic. It's noisy and unpleasant, but I'm a little too tired for the additional mileage. Usually I feel a little bit guilty when I don't add on extra distance, like somehow I owe it to myself. However, I'm trying to be smarter about distance increase right now. I don't want to get injured, and I'm just really enjoying feeling good when I run. I think that counts for a lot. Why people would want to do laps around the track in the morning when there's so many gorgeous trails all over the place. They could go anywhere. Oh boy. Really glad I'm almost home. I'm at about 12K now, because holy smokes, am I ever prairie dogging. Whew. It feels like it takes forever to get up in the elevator. Unfortunately, with the security system in this building, you can't go up in the emergency staircase, only down. Really helps keep my calluses and blisters happy. I picked this one up on Amazon, but I'm sure there's other locations you can get it. And it's a little awkward, but I also like to curl my toes over and get them in there too. Hi, could I have a large bowl of miso to go?
Miso soup?
Yeah, could you give me a large bowl?
We have one size, but I can't. You can maybe.
You put it in like an udon or something, I'll pay more.
Sure.
Looks like somebody left their Starbucks. Okay.
Oh.
Please present your card.
Thanks. Sometimes all I want is soup.
Yeah, I know.
Did you see that rainstorm a little while ago?
Oh no, just in the morning. Is it still raining?
A little bit, not bad.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
My favorite post-run posture. I'm going to take a little bit of a nap now. I ended up hitting the 15K mark on that run. Some nice uphill, some great trail action. My feet are good and tenderized. I'm happy to be lying down. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment. Feel free to make suggestions about whether you'd like to see more road running or trail running, and I'd be happy to have a conversation. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.